I born me, I'm gonna pronounce saying to you. They feel like I only pass sacrifice and blood, sweat and tears and listen to you.
Make them know.
You know what I mean?
Make them know where you come from, youth. Only for sacrifice, only for blood, sweat and tears, only for sleepless night.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in with another video for you guys right now, right about now. We just like with a new Rygin King song called Obligated. Official audio. You see me answer? Now right now, a lot of people don't really react. I like the reactions and reviews and everything that the Rygin King song them. You see me answer? I don't do reviews, by the way. I do reactions. Even if it's audio, I do reactions. And I don't do reviews. Okay, my name is The Reaction Boss. But anyways, Rygin King song called Obligated. We saw what's happening. You know, Rygin King step up on the mic, you know, dog. You see me answer? I get a strong message, you see me say, I mean something, you know. You know, just come sing a regular gun song. No, Rygin King song them mean something. You see me answer? Think about all them song them. Just touch back. Just touch back and look at them. Look at emotions. Look at learn. Look at all of them. You see me say? Look at the name of that one. You know, so that one that mean something behind it. You see me? So I try my best to give them that video because YouTube have a tendency to block my videos and more of them. So you know, so the pause bus is in full effect. So this video is going to contain a lot of pausing and me giving my opinions on a lot of things that he says. You understand me? But subscribe to the main channel called TyrekeReacts. I got over 43,000 subscribers. If you guys don't know about it, if it's the first time seeing my face, I do music video reactions on that channel. Music video reactions on the main channel called TyrekeReacts. I got 43,000 subscribers over there. Go check it out. Subscribe to this channel for the audios, the bad audios from all over the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, every single where, even America to everywhere. You overs, let's see what's happening. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Rygin!
I born me, I'm gonna pronounce saying to you. They feel like I only pass sacrifice and blood, sweat and tears and listen to you.
Make them know.
You know what I mean?
Make them know where you come from, youth. Only for sacrifice. Only for blood, sweat and tears. Only for sleepless nights. Make them know, King. One King.
Them things like say, oh, I sing song, it easy.
John,
but I feel like I can't even laugh it off, bro.
John,
you know what I mean?
But the things that you the man come out to come sing, it easy. Yo, the dog come to tell the name life story right now, the dog. I feel like, the man I feel like, I'm not obligated to give the man. No, go on!
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Hate too much people, I'ma feel obligated. But them not satisfied, so them not appreciate.
It's like I already tried that today. It's like a blood clot already. Few little words the dog say I'm ready to defeat already. You're ready to defeat already. I don't want to see BFI emotion in the comment section. If you're Rygin King supporter, I want to see BFI emotion in the comment section. If you support Rygin King, I want to see BFI emoji in the comment section right now. Yo, I want to stop ramping me. I want to see BFI emoji in the comment section, dog. Go on!
That shit, me had the feeling rich come with.
Yeah.
I'm making money move now, so me have to make sure my guns big. I just a rap for my country. Red wide in a music.
Clad! But the dog say he hate the feelings of rich come with. But and then he goes to say humble back himself again and say, yo. Not to humble back himself, I'm sure he say humble. Because I'm sure he say not like the feeling rich come with. You know that feeling that I get if you watch and show every minute. Somebody gonna rap you, somebody out the feel, somebody not like you because you have money. You dog say, that's the music and that's represent him country, dog. You big up the whole of blood clot Jamaica, yeah, man. You see me, I say big up the whole Caribbean who love dancehall too. You see me, I say big up everybody who love dancehall. Big up all you if you're American and watch me. Go on!
The recording when me go up on the tour.
Yeah!
Me there in the place where them used to the call. But anyway, the fire in my soul. I keep my show the part and I walk.
The fire in my soul keep it. Yo! I'm telling you about Rygin King and them. What me just telling you about Rygin King and them? They have a message back it. Me just telling them that before the video even start. Me never tell that. You can't say. Me never tell that a while ago in the dog. The man sang them have a message behind it, dog. What me hear him say?
Hey, me spill champagne on the floor. Me making a toast to everything where me on. As if them didn't know where me I come from. I know much time I lose before me win one.
When you remember the man's performance? When you remember the man that song for his performance? Them want to take off dog off of the stage to blood clot and the man that's to perform for him people them. Remember me the God that day. And I me never I feel proud of me. Yeah. You know I'm rate the two artists. Them two artists I'm look upon them for real. TG and Rygin. So them man perform them song them dog. Them man feel them song. Even see when TG perform it dog. The man sweat. Yo! The man sing from him heart. They can't see the man face expression them dog. The man jump and say, can I say the thing tough? You see me I say Rygin that to the dog. Tough. Then you have bumbo clot. TJ says, bubble your body for the up top boss. And I go on now bugger exit. Yo. But they get tired fast. Go on!
If them did know what me know, them woulda take it tell me. So me did show affection. Some things I go on, me can't go question. Yeah. But me don't have no fear that will be done.
No fear? John, well, but some things I go... John, miss a couple words a while like I never pay attention, but dog. What your thoughts on the song right now? Let me know down below in the comment section right now. You see me? Let me know your thoughts on that song for you. Like, rate a song 1 through 10. Because you know most of the song already, you know, just there for watch and say, I hear what I have to say about it. You see me? And say, me I tell you say I sing a shot. Me done talk. Go on.
I did the real part, come feel so. Me say me sign a deal in a blood and my later, me I go pay for. Yeah.
Hold on, sign a deal with him blood and maybe later I go pay for. But you say, adapt me here. He might not just say that, no. Maybe that's not what he said, but adapt me here. Why him say? Make me know. Go on.
And only if them all I coulda talk, them woulda tell more for no. Yeah. They don't give a fuck about you.
None at all. As again, my reason to for the get to you so anytime I see one song, you know. You get to youths. You have to find in the way all tight. You see if you look on job, don't put your address on it because them not go higher because of that. Put a little white front address point. Remember me tell you that. Me used to face them something there, brother. Go on. Go on.
And only if them all I coulda hear me woulda hear all who fair. Ya know, them woulda tell me so me just listen me say.
But I like me I tell. I pass that part just because I want to get to see the video dog. Jano star. But what your thoughts again? Down below, comment section. Drop some emoji also. Run tune. Yeah, do good? How you feeling today? Feeling good? Go on.
Yeah, I'm money coming in, them running in now. Running in now. Right now we do hundreds one time on the zero.
When them see money are forward, the time they want to come fall back and go and see them at day one. When they do the fight, they record the music, them and like, yeah, you sound good, but you don't know, you're not going to make it. Yeah. Now the money are forward, them want to come running. And try him cut them off, them go to those bubble-oops. Yeah, you don't know what I talk about. Go on.
Hey man, get all and tweet, yo. All of this coming like it's a dream, yo. Dog, and them my days I'm live for. Now me live the life Al Pacino for some.
Get all and tweet now. All of this coming like it's a dream, yo. And them my days I'm Bumbacla, youth. I forgot to bossa alkaline still. As me and say, dog. No, nobody knows for you there. Bossa alkaline. But that I don't know for real. Yeah, I rate it. Because that I don't know. Because I don't know for you there. So bossa alkaline. Yeah, bossa alkaline. So, my advice to most of them artists, if not all, I know. Bossa alkaline to blood clot. Bossa alkaline. Nobody knows part of the blood clot there. Just drop music. They might not finish for you, you know. You can put out the music, nobody not know where you there. See him, so not even your friend, not even your mommy not know where you there. Call her and make sure she know alive. Go on.
Well, Latino, my friend them Jamaican. Make a 545 from the Asian. Poolside gazebo, a big celebration. But just I do it as a great man. Cause if them didn't know.
One king. Dance all about this thing. Remember the man just come out, dog. The man don't fuck up the world, no dog. Jano star. Yeah, my left phone right has stored that video. As me I say, if you don't want to go watch listen to that song phone yourself, the link will be down below in the description of this video. As me I say, get a listen phone yourself. It's been about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. Not the review boss, the reaction boss. So you don't know any bad order them drop and the boss on them drop. This is the place to be. TyrekeReacts. We're signing out.